Are you missing a critical code dependency like the tcnative-1 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to show you the professional way to fix it. Before we get into the technical process for tcnative-1 library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the tcnative-1 library, the Apache Tomcat Native wrapper. It manages unmanaged communication between Java-based Tomcat servers and native OpenSSL and network performance manifests. It facilitates high-speed, secure data link orchestration. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Reinstalling Apache is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ Read distributable installers, and install them to replace the missing file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the tcnative-1 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't clear the communication block, so we'll manually flush the network plumbing. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space int space ip space rreset, then hit enter. Second, type netsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs act as the plumbing for your internet connection. Resetting the stack clears corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests that a restart cannot reach. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Most individual downloads of tcnative-1 library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing tcnative-1 library and maintaining system health. If your workstation is back online and tcnative-1 library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.